Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Do probation officers check your medical records? This is a serious question for anyone on supervision, balancing the need to follow the rules with the right to medical privacy. The simple answer is generally no. They can't just go digging through your entire health history, but there are some very important exceptions you need to understand. The main shield protecting your privacy is a federal law called HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. HIPAA sets strict rules for doctors, hospitals, and therapists about who they can share your private health information with. A probation officer is part of the justice system, not your medical team, so they don't get an automatic pass to see your records. However, this is where it gets complicated. The most common way a probation officer gets access is when you give them permission. As a condition of your probation, a judge might order you to sign a release of information form. This is a legal document that allows a specific healthcare provider, like a substance abuse counselor or a mental health therapist, to communicate with your probation officer. It's crucial to know that this is not a blank check. The release is typically very limited. It might only allow the officer to verify that you're attending your required sessions and making progress, not to read the therapist's detailed notes about your entire life. The access must be directly related to the conditions of your probation. If you're on probation for a DUI, they're interested in your substance abuse treatment records, not your dental records. Another way is through a direct court order. A judge can legally compel a medical facility to release specific records if they are relevant to your case, but again, this is targeted and not a free-for-all. One area where there is no gray area is drug testing. If court-ordered drug tests are part of your probation, your PO will absolutely receive those results. That is considered medical information that they have a right to see as part of their job to monitor your compliance. So, to recap, your PO can't browse your medical files at will because of HIPAA. But, they can get limited and specific information if you sign a release form for court-ordered treatment or if a judge issues a specific order. The information they receive will be directly tied to the reason you're on probation. It's about ensuring you're meeting your requirements, not invading every corner of your personal health. I hope this explanation helps clarify the rules and reduces some anxiety. Remember, this information is for educational purposes and is not legal advice. If you have specific questions about your probation, you should always consult with an attorney. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button.